representing data on a bar graph. Mr. Benowitz went to the market. She bought 7 peaches, 4 apples, 5 plums, and 9 pears. Use this data to make a bar graph. Before getting started, I already went ahead and made sure I had labels on my bar graph. This is extremely important in order to represent your data. My title I chose was Fruits from the Market. On the side, I labeled each fruit type: peaches, apples, plums, and pears. As long as your data is represented accurately, the order does not matter. Below, I also put a label for the number of fruit and made sure I started at 0, and then for each bar, I put 1 more. In this bar graph, I'm able to go up to 9. Now I'm ready to represent my data. To do this, I'll get started by going to the drawing tool. You can use different colors for each fruit, or you may choose to use the same one. First up is peaches. Mr. Benowitz bought 7 peaches, so I'll represent this by coloring to the 7th bar. Instead of counting each bar, what I do is I look below and I see that 7 is right here. So instead, I know to just color up until this point. I'll do my best to take away as much of the white as possible to really make my bar graph look like a bar. Next up is apples. Mr. Benowitz bought 4 apples. I'll take a look where 4 is on my bar graph and know I'm coloring up to this point. Again, I'll go ahead and try my best to fill in as much of the white space as possible. Remember, you just need to try your very best. Next up is plums. Mr. Benowitz bought 5 plums, so I'll go to the 5th bar and color in up until that point. Once I'm done with plums, I'll do the same thing for pears. Mr. Benowitz bought, 9 pears in total. Before we notice that this bar graph goes up to 9, so that means I need to color this entire bar in. Already looking at my bar graph, I see that more purple is used than any other color. So when thinking about some of the data, I can see that more pears were bought than any other fruit. Just like I can see that the blue is the smallest bar, which means that there are the least amount of apples bought. In the next few slides, you'll try this on your own, as well as answer some questions about the data shown.